The best ideas usually come at the most random times. When you're showering, when you're going out for that walk, sometimes when you're doing another task, even, you have an idea that you want to write down, that you want to act on, but it usually just sits there in your notes app. You write it down and you're like, okay, I'll save this for later, and it never gets brought back up. And I have a bunch of those ideas in my notes app. So I thought to myself that I should go back, look through them, and actually create the content that I've been wanting to create for the longest time. And it's great too, because if you run out of ideas for content or whatever it is that you do, you always have something to look back on and be like, okay, this is great, I should do this. And you have no excuses to not create content. I feel like we all have this sort of thing, especially if you're a creative of some sort. You have these ideas that just sit in your notes app, and they're most likely unorganized. I've used the para system for a while. There are lots of YouTube videos on it. You could just do a quick Google search, it'll tell you what it is. But I use that and it's worked very well for me. But you don't have to do that specific system in order to organize your thoughts. You can create your own system. And the most basic thing would be just to categorize them into different things. For me personally, let's say I'm talking about content creation, maybe I would organize them into folders of like YouTube, so maybe like longer form content, then short form, so things like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, stuff like that. Maybe I would even have a folder or for different client ideas, and then of course I would have an archive folder for ideas or folders that already have been finished and I don't necessarily want to delete them. I want to keep them around, but I don't need them on hand. So that's like a little quick example on how I would organize these things. Of course, whenever I do get an idea, I would just quickly write them down in like the main notes area and then organize them later on whenever I have the chance, just so that I can get that idea down and just document it as quickly as possible. So if you're not using any sort of way to write down your ideas, I highly recommend doing so. It doesn't have to be your notes app. It could be something physical, like a little notebook like this. This is the Lockbee mini field journal. It has refillable little notebook/journals that you can use, and it's great. It's a great system. Highly recommend it. Traveler's notebook is also a really good one, or you could just use any sort of regular notebook/journal. Highly recommend it. But these ideas, if you do happen to write them down, if you don't, either way, they'll get forgotten. And that's just because we're all so busy in our lives, right? There's a lot of things going on. And of course, we don't know things that are going on in other people's lives. But sometimes you just write them down and something else not necessarily gets in the way, but gets brought up. So you're not able to focus on that idea that you had at hand. Life happens, right? It's so unpredictable that sometimes you just let your idea go and it gets stuck in storage somewhere. But if you do happen to write your ideas down, that's awesome. That is like the first step that you should take, and you'll be so grateful that you do so. But for you to go back and retrieve them is even better. So you would want to retrieve them and you would want to act on those ideas, especially if they're good ones, right? Because a lot of the ideas that we write down, a lot of them are going to be junk. They're not going to be very good, even if you do happen to execute them very well. So you have to be mindful and sort of picky and choosy on what ideas that you do want to act on. But that's the beauty of it. No one's going to be able to produce bangers all of the time, right? No one's going to be able to produce these awesome videos or ideas that will develop into videos that will go viral 100% of the time. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't write videos or write down your ideas. It's kind of just like journaling. For me, I journal. Sometimes, a lot of the times, they don't have any sort of deep meaning. I'm just writing down whatever it comes to mind. But then there's that like one little paragraph, one little sentence even, where I realize something and learn something about myself. And that makes the whole journal entry, however long it is, half a page, 2 pages, 10 pages, whatever it is, it makes it all worth it. So that's kind of like writing down your ideas. I guess sort of in a way, writing down your ideas is sort of journaling, but the more ideas that you write down, the better. You sort of get your brain to exercise your thinking ability, and of course over time you will just develop or think of an idea that is like light bulb moment and something that you'd be passionate about. So just continue to create, continue to develop those ideas. Don't hesitate to write down an idea, because you could always delete one, but sometimes you can't bring it back. Like you forget. You're like, what was this awesome idea that I had, but I can't seem to put my finger on? And I've had many moments like that happen to me. So as soon as I get an idea, I've made it a habit to just pull out my phone, because I most likely always have my phone with me. Pull out my phone, open the notes app, quickly write it down, and save it for later. It's better to write it down than not have it at all. But once you find that idea that you would want to create, you have to act on it. Because having that awesome idea without any action doesn't make any sort of sense at all. And again, it really all depends on what that idea is, or whatever you're doing. If you're making YouTube videos, if you're sketching, if you're painting, if you're writing a book, things like that, you have to take all of that into consideration. Be mindful, I forgot that word, intentional of what you're doing at all times. So if you got anything from this video, it's time to look back through your notes, through your ideas, and finally act on them. Do what you said you were gonna do, and just create that banger video. Write that page of that book. Draw that drawing. Paint that painting. Whatever it is. Do something that you're passionate about, because that will show through your art, through your videos, and everyone is going to see it. Well, you don't have to put it out. That's just for me. But I really, really hope you got something from this. I really would appreciate it if you left a comment, leave a like if you've gotten this far into the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. There's a bunch of people out there that are regular viewers or casual viewers that aren't really regular. So either way, I really, really appreciate you for watching. I personally haven't done this myself. I literally thought of this video and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna act on it. If you can act like straight off the bat without having to store it into your notes app, then that's even better. But I have to do this where I go into my notes and sort of audit my ideas, see what are good, what I could work with, and maybe archive the ones that I haven't done. And once I complete those ideas, I would archive that. And that whole sort of system, that whole process keeps going and going and going, because this is fun and this is something that I would like to do for the rest of my life. Awesome. Thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow.